Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things finance. In this video, we're going to be discussing the top 10 tips for saving money for a down payment on a house. Buying a house is one of the biggest financial commitments we make in our lifetime, and a large part of it is saving up for the down payment. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1, determine your budget. Before you start saving for your down payment, it's important to determine your budget. This will give you a clear idea of how much you need to save and what type of house you can afford. Take into account your income, expenses, and any other financial commitments. Tip number 2, set a savings goal. Once you know how much you need to save, set a savings goal. This will help keep you motivated and on track. Break it down into manageable chunks and set milestones to celebrate along the way. Tip number 3, open a separate savings account. Open a separate savings account specifically for your down payment savings. This will make it easier to track your progress and avoid dipping into your other savings or checking accounts. Tip number 4, cut expenses. Take a look at your current expenses and see where you can cut back. Small changes like bringing lunch to work, cutting cable or subscription services, and buying generic brands at the grocery store can add up to big savings. Tip number 5, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your down payment savings account. This will ensure that you're consistently saving and won't forget to transfer money manually. Tip number 6, sell unwanted items. Sell any unwanted items you have around your house or apartment. You can use websites like eBay or Craigslist to sell items like furniture, clothing, electronics, or anything else you no longer need. Tip number 7, get a side hustle. Consider getting a side hustle to earn some extra money for your down payment. You can do anything from freelance work to dog walking to tutoring. Tip number 8, take advantage of windfalls. If you receive any windfalls like a tax refund, bonus at work, or inheritance, put it directly into your down payment savings account. It's tempting to use that money for other things, but putting it towards your down payment will help you reach your goal faster. Tip number 9, look for down payment assistance programs. Check to see if there are any down payment assistance programs available in your area. These programs can offer financial assistance or loans to help you with your down payment. Tip number 10, be patient and persistent. Saving for a down payment takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. Keep your eyes on the prize and remember that every little bit counts towards achieving your goal. Conclusion. So there you have it, 10 tips for saving money for a down payment on a house. Remember, buying a house is a big commitment, but with a little planning and persistence, you can achieve your goal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching.